Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats or data to your any Android phone, or more right now I have Samsung phone. So you can do the same process is for all the from iPhone to Samsung or any Android phone, you can do that. So let's start from iPhone. If you have iPhone and you have a WhatsApp there, so first you have to go in the iPhone WhatsApp, and from there you have to go to the settings here. Uh, so just to let you know, make sure you have to back up your chats and everything on a safe side. I'm just saying in case you miss something, at least you have a backup over there here. So when you come to the chats, you will see chat backup or export chat. When you do chat backup, make sure it's signed into your iCloud, and then you can backup now. You can select what you want to take backup. You want to include videos, you want to turn on auto backup, daily, weekly, monthly, whichever likes you want to do. You can turn on if you want to do videos as well. So let's go back. So when you scroll down, you will see an option, move chats to Android phone. So we're gonna click on this one, and there's the option to start move chats to Android. You will not be able to transfer later if you skip this step. So transfer to a different phone number. I'll make another video if you want to transfer or you plan to change your phone number, so how you can do that. But right now I'm gonna tell you how you can transfer from iPhone to Samsung or Android. Click on start. So it will make sure the chats are ready. Continue on your new phone. So now I'm gonna put this down. On the Samsung or Android phone, you have to open the app called Smart Switch. Okay, you have to receive on this phone, not send. So receive on this phone from iPhone, and then make sure you have cable plugged in. So this is lightning port which going into iPhone, and this is type C. So when you connect the cables, it will search for on the phones, or this phone basically. So trust that, and then click on next. Check your iPhone. Connecting to iPhone is searching for the data to transfer. So because we're gonna only do WhatsApp, you can do everything else as well, but we're gonna do only WhatsApp. So I'm gonna unselect all, click on apps, and then apps, and then transfer. Sign a Google account. I want to sign in. Transfer, sign in. Make sure you signed in as well. So after you signed in, skip this one. So we're from here again, checking for the matching apps. Okay, so once you select the apps, it will give you the option from here. So again, it will showing you all the apps from iPhone, but we're gonna only do the WhatsApp. So I'm gonna only select WhatsApp from here, and it says install. It's transferring now. It says do not disconnect the cable because it's transferring through the cable. It might take longer for you because of the amount of chats and data you have, but because I don't have much on it, so it depends. It really depends on that. So data being transferred, click next, next. Okay, done. this one is done on this one. So we also need to switch the SIM from our iPhone. I just found this pen, just using this one. Now, so now, okay, so yeah, that worked after 1 hour. I just gave the select the call option and they gave me a code. So now I'm gonna select the DD option again. Next, it says finishing step now. So okay, let it complete and I'm gonna. So as you can see, there are both groups here, which was here before. I've created the two groups there and they both are showing here as well. And I think that's all we need from here. Even if you go in chats and chats backup, if you have a backup, you will start backing up here. I just backed up now. Transfer chats. No, yeah. So yeah, that was all the options here, and it just brought us back from there. It's telling us time as well, what time it created. And remember to start chatting. Yeah. So everything is there, and I think that's pretty much. I hope you understand the video and like the video, and I'm sure I'm able to. I'm sure you liked the video, and I'm sure you understood how to do that. And when you even click here, it should log out now. Yeah, it's logged out from here. So yeah, it's that simple. And if you're still having any issues, please let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to help you out there. All right.